If you love prawns and you wish to raise some for yourself in your aquaponics, then waste no time in getting started. Raising prawns in your aquaponics can be an excellent way of adding a different touch of diversity to your system. It's possible to raise prawns together with your tilapia fish or any other fish you may have in your system. We will enlighten you on how to introduce freshwater prawns into your aquaponics system. So let's begin. Guidelines on raising prawns in aquaponics. Raising prawns along with fish is pretty dynamic. Prawns are bottom feeders, and they will feed on anything they find. This includes the fish waste that is not absorbed by your plants, making them a reliable filtering animal. They can as well feed on snails and other organic matter, so if you're having issues with snails in your aquaponics, adding prawns might be a way out. The best type of aquaponics to use for raising prawns is a floating raft. To introduce prawns into your aquaponics, integrate them into your fish tank or under the floating raft. You can as well integrate them in both floating raft and fish tank. Let's discuss this in detail. Floating raft. Under your floating raft, it's usually a habit to have a handful of organic waste such as dead roots, leaves, etc. Prawns like to feed on organic waste, so they can be helpful in this aspect. You might also be wondering if prawns will feed on your plant's roots. The answer depends. In a standard situation, prawns won't eat your root. However, when they become hungry, or when you have too much prawn population, it's possible they bite on your plant roots. For this reason, ensure you control their population. Take out some if they become too many in your system. Fish tank. Another possible way to incorporate prawns into your aquaponics is to put them in your fish tank. Prawns are bottom dwellers, so you don't have to worry about them crawling up to your fish. They will as well feed on excess fish waste, thereby maintaining a clean bottom tank. Both fish tank and floating raft. It is also possible to incorporate prawns in both your fish tank and floating raft. This is usually the best option, as you get to maintain clean both a fish tank and floating raft. Precautions to take when raising prawns in aquaponics. Remember, both prawns and fish can be territorial, so you need to keep both from each other. There are some precautions you need to put in place so your prawns and fish do not attack each other, or even meet each other. When prawns are in their juvenile stage, it's possible for your fish to want to feed on them. So, it's necessary you create a barrier to keep them away from each other. You can make use of a bird mesh with corner PVC trays by laying them in the bottom of your fish tank. This mesh will separate your prawns from your fish. The mesh is also permeable enough for the fish waste to move through the layers of the mesh to meet the prawns, so they can feed on the fish waste. Stocking density. The recommended stocking density for a single prawn should be about 2 square feet of tank space. Tank size. You should have at least 135 gallons, or 500 liters of a tank for both fish and prawns. There should, however, be a barrier like the bird mesh we discussed earlier. Temperature requirements. The ideal temperature for prawns should fall between 57 degrees to 105 degrees Fahrenheit. However, the standard temperature is around 78 degrees to 88 degrees Fahrenheit. Feeding. Prawns will feed on just about anything. You can, however, feed them with prawn pellets and planktons. pH range. Another requirement is pH range, therefore, you should ensure you monitor the pH with a quality pH matter. Prawns will do well with a recommended pH range between 7.8 to 8.5. Final say on raising prawns in aquaponics. We can see there are great benefits to raising prawns in your aquaponics. You can agree there's nothing more amazing than having freshly harvested prawns together with fish from your aquaponic system. You get that fresh, exclusive, meaty taste compared to the regular frozen prawns sold in stores. This is what you get raising both prawns and fish, and if you plan to sell them, it will also be a great investment. Prawns attain market size in about 4 to 6 months, so you can always have a steady sale once they are matured. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.